Welcome to Moo Math and Science. In this video, I'd like to talk about the ribosomes. When you look at pictures of cells, you can see tiny dots on the ER and in the cytoplasm. These dots are ribosomes. But why are they important to the cell? Ribosomes are small protein factories found in cells. They are located in the cytoplasm and on the rough ER. Ribosomes look like small dots on the ER and in the cytoplasm. They are found in plant, animal, and bacterial cells. How does a ribosome make this protein? First, messenger RNA that has been created at the nucleus travels to the ribosome. Transfer RNA travels to the messenger RNA and reads it in triplets called codons. The transfer RNA has amino acid on one end. The transfer RNA reads the messenger RNA, and a string of amino acids are put together in the correct order. Now, why is protein important? Protein is used for many functions in the cell. They are used as building blocks for structure, support. Your skin and tendons are made of proteins. Some proteins help with digestion. Proteins help with muscle contraction and also help carry oxygen around your body. So there we go. These tiny organelles called ribosomes are very important in helping the cell stay alive. Thanks for watching, and Moo Math uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.